Hey guys, I miss you guys so freaking much. Yeah, I am so excited to film this video for you today. So today is going to be what's in my gym bag. I do have like a gym makeup bag and then a gym. I can't even find my gym bag. Found it. Gym like compact bag thing. This is more towards like body and makeup care. If you want a video that's about either like during my actual gym makeup, this is like weight training in like school gym, if that's what I mean by this gym. If you want one of those videos, just let me know in the comments below. Yes, I reply to every single one of my comments, and yes, you should subscribe, and yes, you should like it up because guys, I love you. I love you. I just want this heart to look good. That's it. That's all I want. That's all I want. That's all I want. Anyway, yes, this video is now starting. Because, yes, I'm getting on your nerves. So, yes, let's get to the video. But you
subscribe.
Don't subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.
I'm going to start with body because I feel like your body, like, is more important than taking up face and your makeup. Taking up makeup on your face. If you do not agree with that, that's completely fine. But I do recommend making sure you smell right and then get your look together afterwards. Yes, I do weight training, which means for our school, it's going to be a lot more boys than girls. It's only 3 girls in weight training, which includes me, one of my best friends, and this other girl. So we kind of all get in a group together. So we do not have to like share mirrors. There's enough mirrors and the gym locker room thing for us to all have our mirrors. So that's one of my concerns that I do not have to have, unlike most people. Back to the tutorial, or I know what it's called, how to. Start with body. I use this bag for all the body products and all of the long products. This is just how it looks. I can't even tell you where I got this from. But if you just absolutely need it, you just need to know where this bag is from because you just are just so obsessed with it. Definitely leave a comment below. I will respond. I'll either put it in my description or I'll just reply directly to that comment and try to find a link to this bag. But it's just a silver bag, nothing too fancy about it, but it's big enough for all the body products I use. I'm gonna start with this like in order how I would do it, which this is the Summer Eve spray. I don't know if you can see that. It's just like a freshening spray. It's a 5-in-1, neutralizes odor, absorbs moisture, won't disrupt pH, talc free, clinically tested. Just some things that you use just to freshen your body after running or lifting weights and being sweaty. So our next thing in our bag of tricks, I guess you could say, I have here some just coconut oil. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, so it's only $1. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but I have used quite a bit of this. This is for your hair, face, and body. Sometimes I just rub this on my hair if I feel like my hair looks really dull, or I put it around on my body, and I use something else for my face because this does have fragrance on it, and I try to stay away from a lot of fragrance if I don't feel like it's natural. Coconut oil usually comes in a big jar, but this is already pre-melted and it comes in this little tip, so perfect. Next thing I feel like we should go ahead and move on to in our bag would be, let's say, deodorant. I probably should have did these two together and then this, but of course you can always get a small deodorant, or if you can find a travel size version of any of this stuff, I totally recommend this because then you're able to put it in a smaller, more compact bag. This is deodorant. This is the Suave, I think this is called. Roast me in the comments if this is not called Suave. I think it's Suave. Yeah, not Suave. But this is just 24-hour protection and a flavor scent powder. Whoa! That's embarrassing. Like I was saying, in scent powder. Of course, I didn't run out of the travel size version of this, so it's a smaller version of a bigger version, but it's an even smaller version of this. And if you can find that, definitely recommend this. It smells like a really fresh baby powder, so definitely recommend this. So another thing I do have is just headphones. If it's anything like that, like any objects that like you kind of need for the actual class, like if you have a certain pair of socks or something like random like that, I do recommend putting a pair of socks in here, headphones and stuff like that, hair ties. stuff that I'm going to be adding to my bag right about now. I'm going to put my socks in here, and because that's something that I might forget, or I'm wearing sandals that day and I need to change, I recommend putting that in the body bag. But yes, I also have this. You can't even see the label anymore. Seriously Pink. I did get this from Victoria's Secret Pink. I cannot even tell you what scent this is, but I got this for a really good price, and it smells really, really good, and like it's fresh. And I recommend after peeing and stuff, seeing how you can take a shower, just use fresh products. Something not too sweet or like spicy, but just fresh. I would definitely recommend that to put in your little on the go bag. Kind of moving on to face stuff. I probably, now that I think about it, I probably could move most of this stuff into one bag. But yes, I do have a separate bag for makeup. But I could probably move all of this stuff into this bag. So if that is possible for you, try to minimize the bags that you have at all costs. So I'm gonna put this stuff back in here, and I'll tell you about the makeup. So for the makeup, like I said, for me, I make sure I smell good and then put makeup on. But you might not want to do that. It's your choice. I don't have just makeup products in here. I just have most of my small things in here, which I can, of course, move some of that body stuff into here. So let's just go on with the building onto the makeup as if I was doing it. Oh, something I forgot to put in that body bag, but I'll tell you about that later. So this is a hydration stick. I got this from e.l.f. at Walmart. I'm pretty sure they have this little active line, and it's just obviously just a hydration stick. It has a pretty good amount in it. So basically, I just use this for a moisturizer on my face because it's so easy just to put this on your face, rub, and you're good with really minimal mess. So I do recommend having this in your bag. I know for sure this is under $5. So also, if I was you, I would bring icy hot with me. Understandably, this is not an icy hot container. It was in this container, but then I lost the top to this container, which I later on found the container. So ended up melting this stuff in the microwave, and then transporting to this container, which obviously a big size difference, but it works just fine. Yeah, I saw it just in case something is sore. Literally just dropped the product. Anyway, this is definitely not Listerine. Crest Pro Health Intense Mouthwash. That's what I'm trying to say. It's the mini size. Love just to squish this around my mouth. And instead of brushing my teeth again, I just like having something fresh, like me, and everything smelling fresh after the gym, as if I'm restarting the day. So here I do have a compact mirror. I feel like this is like a staple. If you're gonna bring anything, bring a compact mirror from Dollar Tree for $1. Just really simple, cheap, and definitely recommend this because it will come in handy one day. Another thing that I have in my bag is these oil absorbing blotting paper things, sheets. I know the Clean and Clear are really popular ones, but they do have ones like this that work just as good. I'm telling you, you do not have to believe me. I have the Clean and Clear ones and I use them, but I feel like these work just as good to get just as much of the oil off. Basically, this is how it works. I got this for $1 from Forever 21. If you go on like Forever 21, Forever 21, and those type of sites, they usually have this for $1 all the time. It's the Love Beauty by Forever 21. Yes. And this is a charcoal blotting paper. Yes. So this is how it works. Basically, you just take one off, and then you blot all the oil off. And this is very, very needed if you do have oily skin. I recommend having this into your bag so you don't have to be putting makeup on sweaty, moist skin. Moist. I said it. Moist. So if you just have like just maybe extreme oily skin, I do recommend having something like this. This is the MUA Professional MUA Professional Mattifying Balm. It's just compact. Whoa. And this also comes with a mirror, as you can see, and a towel sponge thing. And it kind of just, I would recommend this blotting your T-zone with this, which really helps mattify your skin. That's if you have severe oily skin or just extra oils you do not want in certain places. This is a good thing instead of having a powder. I do have a powder, but obviously if there is a big size difference, and I recommend having this instead of taking out makeup on top. This is kind of like a primer base layer thing. Yes. I'm not exactly sure why I did not mention this, but makeup wipes, you can either wash your face, which you might not have time for, but makeup wipes is obviously a quick fix. I kind of felt like that was one of give me type of things. Everybody kind of knew this, but yes, makeup wipes is a big plus, and you probably need to do that before you do anything on your face. Wipe off all the excess oils and makeup. But like I was saying, sorry for that little, I don't know. Anyway, yes, so get this. I think that's where I was at. Skin tone to be exact, but yes, I recommend this because it kind of has it all in it. And if you do not like BB creams, you can obviously, if you like certain makeup products and you feel like you have to have them in here, like BB cream is something I wear on my face anyway, but I did not bring my concealer. And I do wear concealer, but I just didn't want to tag along the extra products and not have to do baking and all this stuff. But if you wear concealer every day, then bring your concealer. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So after that, here I just have mascara and a lip gloss. Of course, if you can find mini versions, definitely recommend it. I just have the Jackie and Lauren Cosmetics Glossy Lip Gloss. Just one of these little cheap lip glosses. I have a bunch of them. Just looks like this, really small, really compact, and just a clear color that can match with anything, which is what I recommend having. Don't bring any exotic colors or like coral or like a pink if you do not wear coral and pink every day, if that makes sense. Just something that can really match with anything, that can match with anything. That's what I'm trying to say. Match with anything. Match with anything. Anything. Which is why I recommend a gloss. Also, mascara. I wear mascara every day. I have the Maybelline Big Colossal Big Shot mascara. Love this stuff. So yes, that's something that I have to have in my bag. Like I said, if you can find mini versions, of course, find that. Here's another thing. I do my eyebrows. You probably can't tell because I'm not good at them. But yes, I do my eyebrows, but I do not bring my eyebrow pencil just because I feel like I don't have enough time for that. And usually, unless you're just like, my eyebrows do not get messed up. Another thing I like having stuff like this. These are just 2 clips, so like if you mess up your mascara, you don't have time to sit there and like, just take this. So also, if you do want to bring a powder, I do recommend having a small powder brush. This is just like a basic, just like powder brush. But of course, this is another basic powder brush, but this is the e.l.f. one. And obviously, there is a big size difference. Obviously, put any personal products that you have in your bag, if you know what I mean. Yes. And if anything else you want to add to your bag, add it to your bag. And if something else you think I should have in my bag, tell me in comments below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Make sure you like and comment. Like I said, I feel like now if you make this part of the video, you might as well subscribe because I do a lot of videos like this. Some of them are silly, some of them more formal. I feel like this is one of my more formal videos because I'm used to just like, and now I'm over here talking in different ways and but yes, guys, I just got done posting a video. I want my new weekly schedule to be every once a week, guys. I'm not gonna do that whole 2 months, 1 month, a year, I'm sorry, thing. But yes, I'm gonna try to post weekly now. Anyway, yes. Don't know where I'm going with this. Subscribe, like, and comment. Like I said, I reply to every single one of our comments, so make sure you comment. Comment something down below. Say Jada. Say Jada. Just say Jada. Just say it. J-A-D-A. Do it. J-A-D-A. Do it. Love you guys so much. And bye. Also, how you been enjoying my outro? I think it's pretty cute. Bye. Oh, it's cursy now. Ugh, it's nasty. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love.